In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how to draw lines at 90-degree angles using the ortho option. Orthogonal locking, or ortho as it's commonly known, will allow you to very easily draw lines at 90-degree angles. The ortho button is located on the status bar. It looks like the perpendicular symbol. I'll select that button to turn it on, then begin the line command. After selecting the first point, you'll notice that you are only able to draw horizontally and vertically. You also get a little display of your length and angle next to your crosshairs. This allows us to take advantage of direct distance entry, where we simply type in a value and press enter to draw a line of that length. So for example, if I wanted to create a 5x3 rectangle, I'll move my mouse to the right to lock on to the 0-degree angle, type 5, then press enter. Then I'll move up, type 3, then press enter, back to the left, 5, then enter, then finally I can close or come back down 3, then enter, then escape. So if you find yourself with the need to draw a lot of 90-degree angles, turn on ortho, then use direct distance entry to accomplish this very quickly. That concludes this look at the ortho option in AutoCAD.